Hi, it's been a month since last video about DEXGOOD was uploaded, and I'm happy to tell you that the progress so far is 80%, and the hardest part, yes, the hardest part is trading page is almost complete, and I want to show you right here. Okay, I want to perform like buy, sell, pump, and dump. Let's first perform buy action, and I can put that 3.2 right here, and I want to just hit this price. Let's say like that, 5 and buy, and the wallet shown right here, and hit the transaction confirm. And as you can see right here, so the chart is moving and the price is changed and everything works well. And I want to perform like hit pump, like I want to hit until 3.23 23 like that, and 0.25 to 5 like this, and buy. And it works. Look at that, 3.23. And let's perform the sell action, 23, and let's have a 0.1 like that, so like 0.2. Yeah, like that, everything works well. And okay, let's take a look at the blockchain explorer, and right here, view on blockchain explorer, this is the last transaction that I perform. As you can see right here, the order book is worked perfectly. And maybe you can go to the smart contract page, and you can inspect the detail right here. See that, sell dump, buy pump, sell buy, and set sell. Let's inspect one more. Look at that, the action is working very well. That's it for today. If you go to the CoinFest next month, and you can meet me there, because I have decentralized exchange, centralized exchange, and custom smart contract, and chat apps with using the blockchain technology. And yeah, see you there.